to one of the hottest beat makers in the universe.
I thought this one did come with music.
It doesn't.
Yeah, kids. Do I go rock the beat? Oh yeah, I go and kiss the beat. Oh yeah, I dance. Poop my pants, so baby, come on, let's do the dance. Oh yeah, poop and my
Cat down.
Oh, I didn't flush the toilet, but I got inside. I put it in my hole. Hey kid, do you know what a teacher is? No, I'm sorry, but you have to go do your homework. So you stop the beat and rock the beat and change the teacher and I'll do a round talk and you know, cause you're a kid, you don't know how to do a beat. So you just do your homework and go to bed when you're done. And no, nothing to eat when you tonight. You're in trouble, you're grounded. Oh yeah, hey, am I grounded? No, but you go to the park, you're lost, you're sad. You don't know what the teacher is. So go do your homework. Oh yeah, I rocked the beat. Oops, I sat in the toilet and pooped my pants. I don't know how much, so I sat up, pulled my pants up, and went to the beach. Hey kid, you know what to do when you're homework? No, I don't know what to do. What do you do? I'll tell you what to do. You go and you do your homework. Next, when you're done, you can you go to the bathroom, go to bed. Oh no, I don't get okay.
Gotta see him do it. He does it too.
Sorry, but it's too late for Kitty and you are in trouble, so get the dance and go away. Cause I'm a prince and I see you're on the way. So stop the beat and go to bed. And I don't care what you do with homework. I just want to finish it and get over with it. So you stop, drop, and roll your mouth. Cause I'm not doing your homework for you. I'm not getting for your teacher will be really mad. I don't know what to do, so go do your homework. What do I do? I'm the only kid who doesn't have homework. You just go to bed. I don't care what you do. You're the sad kid every single day. So you take it out. Go. I can't deal with it. I'm too sick to die. Too young to die. So you just go upstairs. I'm tired with this. And I just say, what's your name? I say, it's Bobbykins. Bobbykins is the best. I'm bald. I love my hair.
Beat's over.